Oh, that's sick.
What's up, guys? I'm excited for today. Today we'll be hydro dipping a new steering wheel I got in the mail. I wanted to get a Vertex steering wheel, but they were like $400, so I ended up getting a steering wheel from, I believe the brand is called Viilante. Not really sure how to pronounce it. I'll be doing an unboxing and then showing you the steering wheel, what it looks like before and after, obviously, in the process of hydro dipping it. Pretty excited about this one. My wife and son are going to be involved. Right now, I'm on my way to pick up a camera that I can use to film because my GoPro is still messed up and I have yet to buy a new one. So I'm borrowing one from my cousin right now. All right, so I guess we'll see what this little guy does. I will be using my GoPro for a little bit, probably just throw some instrumentals in the background like usual, possibly my phone too, which is hella zoomed in all the time. And this is my crappy steering wheel. I'm gonna go over how crappy it is later on when we fold it in half. Anybody with MR2 that's had power steering issues, kinda, I mean, my power steering went out a little bit ago, and I don't know, for like the past couple of weeks, every time I were to drive it, it kicks on and kicks off periodically. It doesn't really bother me that much driving without it. If you've had this issue happen to you, let me know down in the comments what it could be. My guess is a bad solenoid. So this is the box that my Viilante steering wheel came in.
This girl is on fire.
It's another product that came with license plate frame. The box is in a box. Nice box. And there's a steering wheel. So the first thing I'm going to do is hit it with steel wool. I would use like one of those green pads, but I don't have one. And then I'm going to hit it after I degrease it with white primer again to give it that fresh sticky coat before I hydro dip it. I don't know if I'm going to use all of these colors. Definitely do want to use the two bright ones, the red and the black, possibly the blue. I don't know. So since it's 15 degrees in here, I'm going to take the paint down in the basement, put them in warm water, so when I spray it, the paint that comes out of it is like atomized and has a bigger fan and can lay good. So I'm just going to soak them in hot water and then come up here and prep the steering wheel. Took all the lids off because I did this before and water would get behind the lid, and when you take the lid off, water comes out, it makes a mess up. While the paint is in the water warming up, I'm going to go outside and prep the steering wheel.
It was at this moment he knew. He f***ed up.
I didn't turn the damn. I didn't turn the water off. That would have been bad.
You're like, I didn't.
And that's my sister, by the way. Sandra, say hi.
Hey.
Repping that bootleg shirt, though. Yeah. Remember, kids, turn the water off. I think I'm gonna have my sister prep the steering wheel. You can manhandle it, it's not that big of a deal. That's tighten.
That's what?
That's tight, you had it reverse.
Oh, okay.
Hey, you got everything else right. It's pretty much scuffed up. Now I'm going to tape up the center area because when I dip this in the paint, I don't want to get the paint on the middle of the steering wheel.
Whoa! That looks so cool. Buddy, keep pushing it.
Right in the middle. All right, good.
Whoa! Ew. And then is it your turn again?
I want to do red again.
Another blue
Yeah.
thing. Now I know I'm doing. Whoa!
Yeah, that lime green. Do the purple. Then I'm gonna dip it in.
Ew. Don't say anything. Whoa.
She's slow.
Oh, that's sick. Oh, there's still white there.
This is how it turned out. It's very shoddy in the back. It's lumpy all over the place. Now, I don't really like how this turned out, or this. So I'm gonna quick throw different colors in the bin and try to make that look a little bit better. This is literally the first time of me ever doing this, and I mean, it turned out pretty shitty. No, I don't know. I think it looks actually pretty decent. It's unique, and I did it, so that's all I care about. This time I'm wearing gloves. Freaking idiot. Alright, that one's out. Just take it. Alright, that's fine.
Never mind.
No, James, take that out. Now, put it on the floor. Put that tool in another one and take it out.
Okay. This one?
Yeah, the other ones are stripped. I'll have to figure it out how to get those out. Alright, take it over. Just spin.